Yeah, prior to PDM, which was introduced around mid-2011, Gripple Automation was actually using network server to store all the project files. The designers tended to work locally or on the server, or a combination of both, which did cause a few issues in tracking revision statuses, finding file locations. It also meant that not all the drawings were actually processed in the right workflow that they should have been, because it was all a manual ad hoc workflow, and this resulted in small errors, drawings being issued with errors. So prior to PDM it was a bit of a free-for-all and a bit chaotic, to be honest. Within Gripple Automation, one of the big benefits of using PDM are the workflows that we can create in the admin side of PDM. These are used by the designers unknowingly to actually move the design process through a navigated structure, so we can control how the drawings are made, how the models are made, and then output to DXF or PDF automatically through to the manufacturing process. One of the big benefits of using the workflows within PDM is that the actual designers are removed from some of the checking process, and it's all done automatically through the workflow process when files are checked in or checked out and revisions are issued. So it saves a lot of time overall for the team, and it ensures quality of the actual drawings and the models that they produce. Once the 3D models are finalised and released for manufacture, the manufacturing department takes those models directly into a CAD/CAM program via PDM, and then they produce the precision components that were used on the machinery on our CNC lathes and milling machines within that department. Yeah, the designers work concurrently on designs for larger projects and share the information through PDM, and PDM ensures that the actual drawings of the models are checked in and checked out by the right person. Nobody's working on the same drawings or any other files that need to be used by another person within the department. This saves a lot of time and effort, and it ensures that errors are minimalised where possible. Yeah, here at Gripple Automation we would definitely recommend PDM to be used by other SOLIDWORKS users, because it ensures that all the information is stored centrally, revision control is adhered to, it saves time and money, and it ensures that the team work together most efficiently as possible.